First of all, we want to make sure that this is switched to on.
So with the isolation switch at the rear turned in the on position, you use the touchscreen display, you can power on, gives you a display of all of the different bits of information you need to know. So you've got a master switch here on the left. Once you turn that on, you can go across to your lights. That's your master switch for your lights, so then you can use your light switches, which will then turn the lights on in your vehicle. So you've got one down here and then one above the kitchen. If you hold the dimmer switch down, it'll dim your lighting. If you hold it the other way, it'll increase the light. Next one across is your water pump. Again, turn your water pump on, and then your switch will then work. If you turn your water pump off, that'll stop your water pump and it'll stop your switch from working. And your auxiliary button here is for your awning light, if you have one. You can move up here, you can set the time and date. This will give you your freshwater information, how much sort of capacity is in your tank, what you've got left. And then this is your leisure battery. So you'll be able to see, it'll sit around 12 volts. If it's charging, it'll start to raise up towards the 13 volts. You've got various settings that you can change, display brightness, a few configurations, but pretty much that's it.